Welcome back. Hoteliers from Mapusa get out Chief Officer of Mapusa Municipality on Monday. They have demanded that roadside gadas serving snacks should either display their license or shut the gadas. The CEO has assured to take necessary action against the guilty.
Some of the hoteliers and owners of eateries from Mapusa are annoyed with the gadas serving snacks at the roadside. They complain that the gadas have no license copy displayed at the center. They get out Chief Officer of Mapusa Municipality. The agitated hoteliers have demanded immediate action.
आम्ही तुमचे उपकारी आसा आणि हे लोक जे रस्त्यार उभे भायले जे लोक येऊन धंदो करता पळय ते उलयतात म्युनिसिपालिटी
आसा रे ते पैसे मेळटा तेंका आपल्या फुडें मातशें करन मेळटा 1 रुपया कमी 1 रुपयान आमचो मेंटेनन्स ओवर रेट्स कितको आसता हॉटेलाचो 5% टॅक्स हा स्टाफ आसा सगळे मेळटा म्हणजे बरोबर आमच्याकडे आमचे पाय सुद्धा घेऊन चल आमका तेंका घालपाची गरज ना 40 रुपया युनिट आणि सगळे आमका कमर्शियल लागता तेंका किती लागता डोमेस्टिक
CEO of Mapusa Municipality has taken cognizance of the matter and has assured to take action against illegal gadas.
म्हणजे लायसन जे कोणी लायसन काढला पण जे कोणी लायसन मारूंक ना गाड्या तो गाडो कॉन्फिस्केट करता and that will not be returned. एक्झॅक्ट दुसरें थोडे वेजिटेबल म्हणून लायसन काढला आणि ते मिरची जावं च्या विकता दॅट शूड बी स्टॉप आणि दे शूड नॉट स्टे इन वन प्लेस ते ताका हांगला जे कोण भोवना तांकां धर तेंचे गाडे बंद.
Our reporter from Mapusa, Shyam Sundar Fatte.
The case of UK national Dennis Swinney has been handed over to the CBI by Home Department. Dennis Swinney had collapsed and died at a nightclub at Anjuna in year 2010. Goa police had registered it as a case of drug overdose, but her family had alleged murder.
Dennis, a British tourist, had collapsed in a nightclub at Anjuna on April 16, 2010 and died on the same day at a private hospital. The viscera was sent to a laboratory almost 20 months after her death, when actually it should be sent within 6 weeks. Delay in viscera examination resulted in inconclusive results. Goa police had tried to get it examined as early as possible but could not get appointment from various forensic science laboratories. Any foul play and had registered it as a case of drug overdose. The case was recently reopened because of doubts raised by Dennis's sisters Maureen and Marian, who claimed their sister was murdered. Maureen and Marian had alleged negligence on the part of Goa police in investigating the death. Police sources still maintain that despite re-examination, almost all the witnesses in the case, they rule out any foul play in her death. Our reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent Media.
Incomplete PWD work at Chikli is creating a lot of inconvenience to the commuters and pedestrians. PWD contractor has dumped the material but has not started work from almost a week. Locals have demanded that road should be cleared as soon as possible.
Have a look. This material has been dumped here by the PWD contractor. Contractor started the work, carried on for 2 days and later stopped it. Now from last 8 days the work has been stopped. This half-done work is creating inconvenience to the commuters and pedestrians.
भांडारी घराकड उदो भरताले तेका लागून ही ट्रेन कोण घेयली पूण कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर कॅटांच करता फकत 2 दीस काम केलें तेणें तेजे उपरांत तें तोंड देखून दाखयलें ना. हांव तर पर्सनली मॉनिटर करता सोद सकाळीं हांव चॅक करतालो पूण आतां 5-6 दीस जाले थंय खबर ना. आतां हांव मागता आमगे एस्टर्न इंजिनियर डायगो आनी मातशें लक्ष घालपाचें हिंगासर आनी तबतो कोण घेवपाची कित्याक भुरग्यांक साम त्रास जाताय. आतां ती उब रावल्यार तुका सांग दिश्टी पडटा केसो त्रास जाताय ते भुरग्यांक त्रास जाताय लोकांक त्रास जाताय बसी थांबो मेळना ट्रॅफिकाक त्रास जाताय ध्यानपर वखदां हिंग सारकी त्रास जाताय.
School students too are facing the pinch.
रस्त्यावयल्यान चलून येयलो कित्याक लागून अशें येयलो तूं
अशी खडी मदीत आसा म्हणून
खडी मदीं आहा म्हणून रस्त्यावयल्यान येयलो कितें सांगता आसली खडी काडूंक जाय आसली
हय काडूंक जाय आनी आमकां मातशें स्कुलाकसून येवपाक हें समजा
बरें जातलें.
हय
त्या खडेक लागून आमकां खूब प्रॉब्लेम जाता. प्रॉब्लेम म्हटल्यार आतां एक बस आसता कदंबा न्हू त्या खातीर खूब अशी भुरगीं रावता ते बसी खातीर बस हे खडी खातीर ती बस अशी रावना म्हटल्यार खूब प्रॉब्लेम जाता हिंगा बस खातीर रावना आमकां खूब प्रॉब्लेम जाता. प्रॉब्लेम म्हटल्यार कितें जाता खबर आहा भुरग्यांक रावपाक मेळना रस्त्याचेर खूब इनकन्विनियन्स खूब आहा हिंगा त्या खडी खातीर.
We contacted PWD J.E. Vincent over the phone. He said that the work is stopped as the workers have not been coming for work. Our reporter from Vasco, Suren Markaikar for Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.